In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export bills from Xero. If you need a clean spreadsheet of the bills you've entered, maybe to analyze spending, reconcile outside of Xero, or share a snapshot with your team, this quick workflow will get it done without any fuss. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, along with a few simple checks so the export lands right where you expect. Start by heading to Xero.com in your browser. Once you're in your Xero dashboard for the right organization, look to the main menu and choose Purchases. Depending on your layout, purchases may appear across the top or in a side panel, and in some versions it sits under a business menu. Either way, choose Purchases to open the area that houses bills, credit notes, and purchase activity. Inside Purchases, open the Bills section. This brings up your list of bills along with columns like supplier, due date, amounts, and status. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the set of bills you want to export. What you see here is what will be included in the file. Now move your attention to the top right of the page and click the three dots icon. That's the overflow menu for extra actions. In that menu, choose Export Bills. Xero will prepare an export based on the bills currently displayed. You'll then see an option to proceed. Go ahead and click Export to confirm. The file typically downloads in CSV format, which opens nicely in spreadsheet tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. Check your browser's downloads tray or your computer's downloads folder, and you can rename the file with a clear date or reporting period so it's easy to find later. If you don't see the export option, make sure you're on the bills page and that you have permission to view and export bills in this organization. Also remember that exported files can contain sensitive supplier details and amounts, so share them only with people who need access. And that's all there is to it. Go to Xero.com, open Purchases, open Bills, use the three dots at the top right, pick Export Bills, and click Export. Your data is now ready for analysis, reporting, or secure archiving.